You know, I've never been so excited for a Manny and Me subscription box enough to do a video on them, but I'm going to do one because I love this box. I saw the sneak peeks on MANIOLOGY's Instagram page and I died and squealed. I'm so happy with the subscription, and I think you will be too if you like coffee or tea. I mean, it's not really a dead giveaway. It's on the card. It tells you right there. So it's an espresso / coffee. Here's the info card. It tells you all the things. I don't really read the info card. Flip it over and there's your theme right there, guys. Look at that. I want that on my nails. I mean, it's brown and that's like a hard to love color when it comes to nail colors. But, oh, this instruction card tells you how to do the design right here on the back side, which is really cute. I really like that. But yeah, that's not what I'm here for. I'm not here for the instruction cards. I'm here for the bread and butter, which is everything in this box. And if you get the MANIOLOGY subscriptions, whether it's the $18 one or the $25 one, they come with like a fun item. So this month's fun item is this coffee scented lip balm, and it smells delicious. But it doesn't taste delicious. It doesn't really have a taste to it. So straight to the point to get into the box. Oh, and here's what the box looks like empty if you care to know. Yeah. So I'm just going to tear right into the packaging. Usually get the $18 box, but this month I upgraded to the $25 one. So I don't know if it usually comes with this candy, which, by the way, if you don't know, that is actually candy, the gummy. But the $25 box comes with 2 polishes. Those usually retail for $6, $7 each. Anyways, the $18 one doesn't come with polishes. I upgraded to the $25 one this month, and I had enough points to get this box for free. So I redeemed the points to get my box for free. So I was like, you know what? Why not get some brown polishes? I don't have a lot of brown polishes, so it seemed more like I need to upgrade this box. So they are named Latte and Boba, which, I mean, fitting to the theme of the box. I really like that. You can also swatch them on the top of the lids right there over a black and white. I don't know if I'm going to do that. Perhaps, maybe, not sure yet. But into the beautifulness of the stamping plates. I'm sorry about the glare of my lamp, by the way. But this is like a platter, like a tea tray platter with pastries on it. All of the pastries that you can think of. Scones. I love the platter. You can even stamp that platter on your nails if you really wanted to. I don't know how I would go about doing that on my nails, but it's cute. It's adorable. You've got donuts, jello, all the things here. I don't know. Looks yummy. And then this is my favorite plate of the two. The other one's great, but this one is like the coffee, the tea, the designs, the coffee mugs, the teapots. You get the point. Anyways, just look at it. It's really adorable. I really like the squares on the left and right side. So those 8 themed take up your whole nail type of squares. I love reverse stamping those types. I mean, I love reverse stamping individual images too, but yeah, just really take it all in. And let me know, is this like a type of stamping plate that you'd be totally into? Because actually, you can still get this subscription right now. We're in April, so I think April 23rd is the last day to snag the subscription. I'll leave all the info in the description box below for you guys to know. But yeah, I'm going to stamp my nails. I'm actually going to do my mani on this video for you guys. So I picked up this hot chocolate stocking stuffer from Revel that they released over the holidays. So I'm going to use 3 of the 4 colors. I mean, it seemed fitting to use this stocking stuffer because it's a hot chocolate themed, and this is like a beverage themed plate. And I didn't even have to pick out the colors and go digging. It's already themed in there for me. So I'm going to go get started and I'll be right back. I practiced a little bit. I didn't like one of the designs I did, so I'm going over and I started over. So I'm going to put some sticky base coat on top of my nails. My nails are already completely dipped, start to finish, top coat and everything. So that's why I need the sticky base coat, because I need something sticky for the stamp to stick to. Sticky base coat, get it? Yeah. Anyways, I really like this design right here. It says "But First Coffee," and I feel like that deserves to be on a t-shirt, so I'm stamping it on my middle finger here. I feel like it's going to give enough dimension on the chocolatey color that I have, but not so much that it would like detract and take away from the rest of the designs. And then I have this foily, I want to call it foil, I don't know what to call this, brown gold. So I'm just going to take this design here and stamp it on the darker nail. I actually really like this dark brown color. It's my favorite of the entire box. Yeah, I don't even know when I got that foil polish, but I really like it, and I think I'm going to reverse stamp that foil polish into the full coverage design. I picked this one, the one with like all the coffee cups on it. I liked the variety, and I felt like it was a good way to introduce like a pop of like pink color. So there's little hearts on this design, very hard to see. There's like 2 or 3. So I'm actually going to stamp, like reverse stamp, a little teeny dot of pink on those hearts. Yeah, so you can see that going on there. And then there's like 2 or 3 hearts, I think. All right, and this is the foily, glittery, shimmery color that I was using earlier. So I'm putting that one like in the middle of one of the coffee mugs. And there's a few coffee beans in this design, so I'm taking a darker brown polish and I'm just filling them in so there's like a pop of color. And then I have this pearly white color, absolutely beautiful. I'm using it to fill in a couple of the coffee cups, just so that all the coffee cups are not just the cream color that's my background on my nail. But here it is, finished on my jelly stamper. I'm sorry for the scuff marks. I really wish you could see it better. I'm going to get a new stamper, I promise. But I love it. I love how it turned out. Imagine this over like a clear nail. That would be really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp this bad boy on my nails. And here is the finished look with, I got to clean up some polish around my cuticles. But never mind that. I'm going to add the smudge-free top coat from MANIOLOGY. I totally love this thing. Even if you're using dip powder, I totally think you need the smudge-free top coat because you can use activator and dip powder top coat over it. But if you're a stamper, this smudge-free top coat is amazing. So here is the finished design, and let me know in the comments if you liked it. And I think I want to, in the future, still use this plate, but do like anti-brown colors, like maybe like some turquoise and pinks, like imagine non-brown. Thank you guys for coming to hang out with me and watch this whole unboxing and stamping session. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know that you like unboxings and I can create more. And be sure to subscribe so that you get notified of future videos.